plus set, and set can only contain unique elements in them. There is no order in the set, it's just anywhere. And let's get going and let's learn how to use them. Hi, I'm Dayon, and today I'm going to tell you about 6 detailed stuff about set. If you haven't seen the set video, you can just click on this link to look back to it. But today I'm going to tell you about the detailed stuff. The first thing is create. When you want to create a set, it's S or the variable, I'm going to set it as S equals curly brackets, and you can write the elements in it, like curly brackets, and I'm going to write 1, 2, 3. And if you print S or ask for S, you'll get 1, 2, 3. The second thing is add. When you want to add something to the set, it doesn't add to the end. It just adds anywhere because set does not have order. The third thing is exist. When you want to see if something exists in the set, the number or the string or the list in set, in S or whatever the variable, I'm going to write print 2 in S. So we'll print true. You can write print 5 in S, which will print false because 5 is not an S. The fourth thing is length. When you want to know how long it is, print len and parentheses, and you can write the set or you can write the variable name, which is S, and you will get 4 because there's 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 elements, and you get 4 because 4 elements in it. The fifth thing is pop. You know in lists you can pop stuff and the last thing comes out. In set, there's no order, so any of them will just come out. It's just randomly picked. The sixth thing is union. Sets are called S1 and S2. S1 dot union S parentheses, and you can write S2. And they'll add them together like by putting them together. Let's say S1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and S2 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 2 5s, so ignore the second 5. So you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the set. Or you can print it and you'll get it. Today we'll learn create, add, exist, length, pop, and union. If you haven't seen my other videos, please click the subscribe button to check on the other ones. And I guess that's all. Bye! Thank you for watching!